Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use tasks within the WeTreat app. When you log in, you can click Operations and there's a sub-tab, Tasks. This is an area that you can send a note or a task for the internal team to get completed. So a use case would be, I'm going to add a new task and this is to request labs. There is a patient in the system, and the office needs to reach out to the patient and get labs completed and upload the results. I'm going to put in a particular patient's name, make this as a medium priority, and make notes of what I need completed, and then press save. Once that is added, there will be whoever has the task assigned to them, there will be a mark as completed button and it will be able to be crossed off the list.